everyone. Wow, that was loud. Hi everyone. My name is Hugo Valentin Jr. I will be unboxing rail repair, cargo, and cars set that I just got today. And there's one more box over there, which I actually like that one too. It's from Tale of the Brave. I think it was from the beginning of the movie where all the tracks were like bumpy. When they were all old and they had to make it new again. So it says use a cargo to build a rugged track.
Time. Put the scissors down. You were putting it in your face. Alright kids, do not play with scissors. Let your parents open this.
Just cut that out.
No, we're not cutting it out. We need to show the kids how not to do it. Okay, continue, buddy.
So it says use the cargo to build rugged track. And this is the faster and steeper sets here. I don't have the crane, but I actually kind of want it. Kind of, not really. It's not really important, but you know, it's a special attraction. It's another thing to my railway, so it'll be kind of cool to get that. But this is another thing to my railway too, and it looks really good because it has a lot of things in that. So there's 3 trucks, 2 signs, and 2 track pieces.
Oh, what colors are they?
Red, blue, and green.
Nice.
So I will be opening it now. In the box I have this set too. Oh wow, it's really packed well. It actually really is packed well. I gotta say, it actually really is packed well. Yeah, I have another one of these for my Scarlet Railway. And 2 more trucks too. It has the same signs though. So to repair trucks here. And the 8-plank wagon, open 8-plank wagon here. So those are the trucks, and I need to open this too. Here's the pieces. Oh wow, it comes set. It comes built already. Oh, these are actually really new. I've never seen tracks like these actually. I really haven't. These are new to me. This is actually really cool. These all like, they're just clipped in together. That's actually really cool.
So those are broken tracks? Aren't you filming a video with broken tracks?
Oh yes, that will be uploaded soon. That's a video of my video of new tracks being built at a truck place.
Who works there? Who works in that place?
My dad, of course. So these are the signs here. Facing the same direction. Wonder where they came built.
So all the sets now, they're building them so that way when the trains pass by, everything falls down?
Yes.
That's cool.
So this was the rail repair, cargo, and cars set. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment for more unboxings and videos like this. And I'll see you later. Bye.